Hi there, my dear Capricorn friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Capricorns. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you would like my reading in the end, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's start. Okay, let's start. My spirit guides, what are the messages for our dear Capricorn friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Capricorn friends for the month of December? Okay, and right, my dear Capricorn, I can feel a positive energy in here, right? And it's about money. Yes, I can feel it in here that there is money luck on your side. Lots of money is really um is in front of you. So hopefully most of you don't have any obstacles to success, to financial abundance, right? Because I can feel it in here that, oh, huge amount of money is already presented to you in front of you. An era of financial blessings. And then there's good luck for some of you is having a good luck. You can really feel the optimism in your life, and a lot of positive opportunities coming to you. Yes, you are doing it with effort. I know how the Capricorn people um, work. They work with a strong effort and determination. So you deserve what you are getting now. Okay, let's see the bottom of the cards. Oh, my God. I hate this card, but um, I don't know why most of the zodiac signs are getting of this card. It's three of spade. This means that um, there is a if you are involved in a third party situation, okay, um, it's not only in your case, this one is not only in the matter of the heart, right? Okay. It's not only the matter of the heart, okay? So if you are in the romantic life, for some of you, if you are involved in a third party situation, the third party is going to break the relationship. Meaning, if you have uh, um a third party, like for example, if you are happily married, or even not happily but married, or for some of you who are committed but you are having a forbidden love affair with another person, the third one is going to break your relationship, right? So there will be a fun, what is this, a relationship issues in here. Yes, but financially, yes, I can see that there is lots of money, abundance is in front of you now. But relationship wise, yes, there is an issue in here. So for some of you who have a business partnership, yes, and you have also another business partner, um, other than the one that you have officially, yeah, and then there's another one outside. So this third person is going to do um, a problem, okay, an issue between the two of you. For example, if me and you, we have a business, yeah, and we are partner in that business, and I have one outside who I am dealing with and helping me to this business, yeah, this person outside will uh, make problem for the two of us, giving us problem, yeah, in that certain business. That's what, yeah, yes, it's, I think it's more on finance, not a romantic in the matter of the heart. But for some of you, yeah, because Capricorn can be like attractive. You are very good in communication. You are sweet as well, and you are thoughtful. You are a giver. So probably someone uh I think is admiring you in here, and go with the third party um, involvement. Okay. So if I were you, better to step back. Okay. And ignore that temptation. Okay. The, the other card is, yes, five of clubs, meaning you will meet new friends, new alliances, and probably there's a new love interest in here, which is who will be your the third party. Okay, so if you are single and not committed in a relationship, then this card is good for you. There is new love interest, new marriage, new friendship. Okay. But for those who are committed, then avoid this card because this is a temptation card. Okay. Uh-huh. And the third card, the back of the thing, there is an an earth sign younger person than you who will give a, who will bring bad news to you, but it's only not that general major bad news, relatively minor, but still because for some of you, you are um you 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 tend to worry easily. Okay, so it will make you feel worry. Okay, and in here, uh-huh, this one who will give you bad news, the the back of the card is saying that it's just only she it's just this just only a pleasant trouble, want to give you a problem only. Okay, this card is Jack of Diamonds, a younger person with an earth sign energy, Capricorn as well, Taurus or Virgo. So this person is just only a pleasant trouble, okay, who and quite jealous to you. So just want to give you a problem, okay. So just ignore it, okay. Okay, let's go to the main cards. Mhm. There's a lot of people around you, and some, and be careful because there's jealousy around you, and you are also surrounded with ill will from the people around you. You know, Capricorns, you love to be with people. You love, that's why you are very good in business, because you love to deal with people. You are a good communicator. You, if in sales area, you are very good with that. You have this what is this aura to attract people to your business. Yes. So in the past, okay, you had prosperity. Yes. You prosper with your business. It's a good card though. Yes. So in here, all of your endeavor, yeah, for some of you, you were successful. Even in your career, job, and business. Okay. In here, this is your present, this is your past, and then this is your future. Okay. In here, there is a younger water sign person, which is younger than you, and a Pisces, Cancer, Cancerian, and a Scorpio. That this person, I think, is your it's either your um all right, okay, you have a secret admirer in here, okay, and this person really adores you, really admire you for being smart, okay, and very good in dealing with people. Um, or this one as well can be a close friend who is giving you a good luck in your life, who can who you can rely on, yeah, um who can be trusted, yeah. So it can be a younger water sign and your close friend, okay. Yes. So oh, so this card is a Jack of Spade. This Jack of Spade is a younger person than you. As I've said, you are dealing with one, two, three, four people in here. Yes, yeah, and this person is a hostile and jealous to you. Okay, really, you have I you have to avoid tricky situation in here. This person will offer you a something about business. Then this one is your problem. Okay, it's on the top of this person, right? Meaning Jack of Spade, and then this is the business card number 10, and it's like that. So meaning this person is going to offer you a tricky offer that will give you problem in your business. This person is a jealous person and who loves to lie. This person is lying to you. So trust your intuition because it's about business that this person is going to discuss with you. And this is just only a tricky situation to give you problem in your business area. Okay? So please trust your intuition and follow your instinct. Okay? In here there is a six of clubs. there is a person who will give you a financial help. Okay, I think this person will offer you a business partnership. Yeah, and so if you have a business now, okay, it's about money. Yeah, we're discussing in here because it's diamonds. Yeah, um this person wanted a fire sign energy is going to offer you. This one is authentic. Yeah, but this one, the air sign energy, the Aquarius, um Gemini and Libra is the one that you have to be extra careful, because this one will put you in a tricky situation. Okay, it's about business as well that this person is going to discuss, but this one, you know that this is genuine, this is legitimate. Okay, and then he will offer you a business partnership. Okay, to make your business grow, to make your business bigger. Okay, and you knew that it is legitimate, so go ahead with that, my dear Capricorn friends. In here as well, um there is, your power is um okay, this person is the one who will offer you to have a business partnership with him. This person is a good-hearted person, a very generous, honest man, and a spirited man. So this one, you knew that this is legitimate person. So you will go with this person. This is an older man with a fire sign energy. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And with that, your business will be successful. Okay? So, yeah, external influence, there will be a change in your financial status, often for the better. This is a money and travel card, a fortune that is about to change. That is a completion, number 10, and diamonds, money, money, money. Okay, so um, hopes and fears, as I've said, please, in business area, you have hope, you have fears in here that hopefully that business relationship will last in and will become more and more and more into it. There will be no cheating and betrayal. Yeah, but if you will deal with it in a good way, it will be prosperous, my dear Capricorns. For some of you who are dealing with a third party involvement in a romantic area, then there is a separation and infidelity in here because of the betrayal. So if you are the one who did the cheating issue, then instead of having a happy family life, then quiet, infidelity and separation is most quite likely in here, because your behalf will discover the deceit, the betrayal. There's a break in a relationship in here. So if I were you, as I've said earlier in the beginning of your reading, do not be involved in a third party situation in a romantic life, and even in a in a business partnership, because if you feel like this person who offered you for a business relationship and it is really honest, then be honest with this person. Okay, if you want to add more business partner, then be open with that person. Okay, just do the good thing, the right thing. Yeah, so that there will be no problem issues that is going to arise in the future. Okay, so the final outcome, Four of Diamonds, there is a financial upswing in here. You will be getting more money from your business. As I've said, money, luck is on your side. Business success is on your side. As long as you will not be involved or engaged in a third party situation. Okay. Um, Trust your gut feelings, and trust your intuition, my dear. Okay, so be ready for a huge turning events in your life. um and then also, yes, in here, please, as I've said, please, the only the only concern in here that arising, okay, is not to be involved in no matter what the temptation is presented to you. Please do not, because in the future, eight of spade, people, if you see that you have already money, prosperous, abundant, okay, they will try to tempt you. This is temptation and leading to misfortune, danger to um, lose your business, or even business partnership issues, and it will really upset you. Okay, so if I were you, deal your business with a legitimate partner, and just um, run your business with pure intention. Do not like, if you think that you can just do it secretly, it is not, because it will still be revealed. Okay, karma is real in here, and truth will be exposed. Okay, so please, 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 your family, for some of you, is your inspiration in here. So if you're a family man or a family woman with children, your children is your inspiration in here. And for those who are single mom or single dad, you will be soon meeting a new love interest in here. But see to it that that person is not committed. Okay, if that person is committed, then let that person, if that person is not happy with their then ask that person to decide, yeah, before committing a someone with, no, it's not. Okay, let's go. I'll get another card for a confirmation. Generally, your card is positive. Okay, just only to avoid temptations and be aware of the jealous people around you. Okay. Yes, achievements. As I've said, you will achieve a lot, and there is a secret admirer in here who will try to tempt you. So please, please do not be stubborn, okay? And then really discipline yourself and control yourself not to be involved in that temptation, okay? There is a sudden windfall or unexpected good luck, really, that is going to be presented to you very soon. Okay. Eight of Diamonds. Eight of Diamonds is, there is travel and marriage. If for some of you, if you are not married yet and you are in your middle age, then it's now happening soon. Okay, you will meet someone during your travel time. Okay. Okay, let's go to the let's go to the tarot cards, and let's see what are more messages that has in store for you for the month of December. Okay, my spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Capricorn friends for the month of December? Okay, the bottom of the cards is Six of Swords. It's a card for transition. Okay, it is associated with Aquarius energy and aligned to planet Mercury and aligned to heart chakra. And it's a maybe card. For some of you, if you just had the problem, broken hearted, or if you, if you lose something, and or maybe you've been upset, yeah, and then, or if for some of you who deal with past situation that was very upsetting, then you are now in your healing period. Okay, you can see now that there is progress and development that is going to happen in your life. It's slow progress, but surely. Okay, um, you are now overcoming from hardship, and then you feel relief in here, and then there's kind of stability. Okay, let's see the main cards. Oh, it's the reverse card of justice. For those, as I've said, do not. This card is a reverse card of justice. So as I've said, do not deal with dishonesty or any third party involvement, especially in a business relationship. Okay, because the truth will still be exposed. If you will tell lie, then it will still be exposed. Okay, as I've said, um, run your business with your partner in with pure intention. Okay, wholeheartedly. No lies, no cheating, no stealing. Okay, and with that, your business will progress and abundantly grow and grow and grow. Okay, so and then, for some of you, please do not engage with corruption. If you are working in politics, if you are one of the politicians, yes, even a small politician or higher politician, do not be involved with corruption. Me, I believe that if you corrupted a lot of money from other people, and you use that money to feed your family, observe, especially your children, when they grow up, they will behave in differently because you're feeding them with dirty money. Okay, you are a spiritual individual, my dear Capricorn friends. So you will progress, you will become rich, you will become abundant and prosperous, and do it with pure intention. Yeah, that's what I all I can say. So I know in this world, in the society, corruption, lies, dishonesty, stealing is everywhere. But please do not be tempted to do that. Okay? Just only to be abundant, become rich suddenly. Yeah? But karma is real. Okay. In here, judgment. Yeah, it's a major arcana card, number 20. It's a yes card and aligned to um, Neptune. Oh no, it's Pluto. Aligned to, excuse me, planet Pluto, which is regeneration and transformation. As I've said earlier on, that you have to be ready for a huge shift. Um, I mean, huge turning, yes, turning events in your life that is going to happen very soon. Okay, as long as you will deal, I mean, um, do it with pure heart, wholeheartedly, and let's say clean living. Okay, um, with honesty, let's say. Um, and it is aligned as well, this card's judgment to the crown chakra. There is an awakening that is going to happen in your life. So, and renewal. So, if you have done something wrong in the past and you regret that you've done that one, then that is now your renewal of your life. Okay, so this one is as you sow, so you shall reap now. A mandatory choice that will change life for the better. Okay, so um, let's go to the um, angel card and let's see what are the messages for you for my for our dear Capricorn friends for the month of December. Okay, bottom of the cards is Five of Fire. Competing goals, bothersome details, conflict with others, right? Yes, because my dear Capricorn friends, when you are surrounded, as I've said, when you are surrounded with ill will people around you, then it will really make you irritated. Yes, so and you because you are an empathic, highly intuitive individual, yeah, and then you just talk, okay, you just tell people straight away, then it it will cause conflict with others. But be extra careful with your words, okay? Eight, justice. Hmm. Archangel Raguel, fair and just decisions. Do what you know is right. Stand up for your beliefs. So, for those who are dealing with legal issues, there will be justice that you are going to receive. Justice will prevail. Okay, as long as you know that is right, you know the right, and that is stand your ground. Okay, let's see what is the animal spirit guides message for you for the month of December, my dear Capricorn friends. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon here and it's getting darker. Okay, the bottom of the card is 11, strength. Masai lion and lamb. True strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, and compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. That's right. The main card is Two of Autumn. Abyssinian cat. You may be under stress because of multiple jobs or too many responsibilities for one person to manage. It's important to balance your work and personal life and bring a spirit of fun to all you do. That's right. I know how I've seen how the Capricorn individual work. They are really a hard worker people and you need to rest. Okay, balance your life, okay? Um, let's see, for those who are seeking an advice or message regarding their job, career, and business, let's see. The bottom of the card is connections. Build bridges between people. Contact those who can help you. Your actions set you up for the next opportunity. As I've said earlier on, yeah, do not hesitate to speak up. If you feel like you want your business grow, then talk to one. Talk to someone like, especially that far sign person, and offer, or maybe that person will offer and then agree, deal with him. Okay, renewal. See, it's a strong confirmation that really, if you've done something wrong in the past, then it's time for you to renew. And for some of you, you are in a healing period of time. You need to take time to recharge your energy to get back on track. Challenges ahead require you to have faith and break through. Okay. To have some rest. Sleep. Sleep is sleep, my dear Capricorn friends. If you have um hard time to sleep, then try to meditate first. Okay? And then do something, take something that you know, who can make you feel sleep. Okay, listening to the this, like this kind of music. Okay. Okay, for those who have one question in their mind and seeking for a yes or no answer, then think about it now. Okay. If you will like my reading, then please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Right, the bottom of the card is, it's a yes card. Rising to the challenge, floating on air, advance. And it's a double confirmation of yes. Do it. Just do it, my dear Capricorn friends. Full of possibility, plenty creating abundance. Wow. As I've told you in the beginning of your card reading, I can see you. Money, 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 abundance. Okay. Only one thing to remember: do not be involved with a third party, in a third party situation. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear Capricorn friends. Good luck on your journey. Love and light. Namaste.